Hey, welcome back to Rocket School one last time. It's graduation day after all. JT here. By now, you should have your node and mini pool or mini pools running smoothly. Watch out, big spender. And should know how to maintain them and collect your earnings. We'd like to round this course out by pointing you to some great external resources that you can use to become an even better staker. Rocket Pool's community of builders is one of its greatest strengths, and they have created many invaluable tools and forums to help you on your way. New resources pop up all the time, so for an up-to-date list, please see the links below this video. Let's take a quick look at a few especially useful ones. So right here you can see the Rocket Pool Discord. If you ever have questions about Rocket Pool staking, you can't find a better place on the internet to ask them. Go check it out. Coming in close second, this is the ETHStaker Discord. This is especially great if you have questions about Ethereum staking in general, or about execution or consensus clients or MEV. And this is Beacon Chain with a .in, which is invaluable for any staker to keep track of their validator's performance. It even has Rocket Pool specific metrics for your mini pools. This right here, Rocket Scan. It's a convenient collection of many essential metrics related to Rocket Pool and its mini pools. Again, please check out the full list of resource links below this video. There may even be new ones not covered right now. Finally, we just wanted to say thank you for being a great student at Rocket School and for choosing to stake with Rocket Pool and supporting decentralization while earning that juicy staking income. We really hope you enjoyed the course. This has been a production of the EV Mavericks Mainnet DAO, dedicated to advancing the decentralized Ethereum Web3 ecosystem by funding, developing, and promoting public goods and education. We would also like to thank ETHStaker and Rocket Pool for the grants that supported the development of Rocket School. Happy staking! On behalf of Rocket School, my name is JT.
Cut. That's a wrap. Great job, everybody.